Good morning everyone. I'm James Alvarez Manelio, and now let's talk about emerging trends in education. So, the topic is all about the rise of global education trends such as personalized learning, competency-based education, and lifelong learners. Introduction. We all know that education around the world is changing, right? Traditional teaching methods where all students learn the same way at the same pace are slowly being replaced by new approaches. According to the UNESCO in 2020, education system must adjust to changes in society, technology, and the economy to meet learners' needs. So, this new global education trend focus more on the needs, skills, and goals of each learner. We all know that education around the world is changing because of the technology, right? So we have three important trends today, which is the personalized learning, competency-based education, and lifelong learner. So this trend helps students prepare better for real-life challenges and future careers. So this is the three important trends in education. First, which is the personalized learning. So personalized learning means that students learn in a way that fit their own needs, interests, and abilities. We all know that everyone learns at different speed, right? Na ay mga, for example, na ay mga student na genius, mo na dali kayo silang maka-move forward. Well, napoy uban na dili kayo genius, mo nang need siya og extra time. So diha mosulod si technology like online lesson, learning apps to make easier and para mas masabot sa estudyante. That is personalized learning. Now, let's go to competency-based education. So, focuses on what students can actually do. Mga kuha siya, real skills sa usa ka estudyante, not just on grades or time spent in class. So, in this system, students move forward only after they show they really understand a lesson or skills. For example, instead of passing a subject just because the semester ended, student must show they have mastered the topic. This way, learning is meaningful and student gain real skills for everyday life and future job. It is also prevents just memorizing things without understanding. So, kaning competency-based education is kuan siya. Instead of passing a subject, like mag like mangusog siya ba? Like say matabo ani malimot po ko. Ang student dili siya magmatter sa grade. Ang iyang focus is in unsa iyang mabuhat as a student. Mo na competency based education. So let's move forward to the last, which is the lifelong learner. So lifelong learners means that learning does not stop after graduation. People continue learning new skills and knowledge throughout their lives. This is important because the world keeps changing, especially with new technology and demand. So adult may go back to school, attend training, learn online, or gain skill through work experience. So lifelong learner help people stay updated, improve their careers, and adapt to changes in society. We all know that um, mahuman ka eskwela, still, mura Japon ka og mo eskwela pero mo gasweldo na ka. Like mga call center, nga na, mga webinar, nga na. So lifelong learner nimo ang education. So this is the important of this global education trends, which is to help students learn at their own pace. Kay laylay tag mga opinion as a student. Focus on real skill, not just exam. Dili magmatter ang imuhang grado sa imuhang mga real skills, right? So prepare learners for future job and challenges. Encourage continuous learning even after school. So overall, these trends make education more flexible, fair, and useful in real life. So, conclusion. In conclusion, the rise of personalized learning, competency-based education, and lifelong learning show that education of becoming more student-centered and practical, right? As education continues to evolve, these approaches will play an important role in shaping better learning experiences for everyone. That's all for our discussion. Thank you and advance. God bless.